Hey there, it's your spa girl, Sarah. I'm so excited to tell you more about our treatment collection by TruAūra. Again, all of the products in our treatment collection are probiotic and microbiome friendly. So that means that they're very healthy for your skin. So let's talk about our face treatment in our treatment collection. We're going to talk about our Advanced Repair Day Treatment. This is one of my favorite treatments ever because it helps with your fine lines and wrinkles, and I saw results within 4 minutes whenever I used this treatment for the first time. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles, evening out the skin tone, skin discolorations, dark spots, and so much more. This is a must-have product. It really helps with multiple things only by using one product, which I think is a home run. So let's take off the cap, and just like some of our other products in our core skincare collection, it's just a really simple pump. I love that because you're not going to overuse the product. Whenever you pump the product out, you're only going to put it on your fine lines and wrinkles. So that would be like the laugh lines, maybe on the forehead, or wherever you struggle with fine lines and wrinkles. It's very simple to use. If you're wondering how you use this in the core skincare collection, you're going to start with your cleanser, your tonic, then use this treatment and follow with your day cream. This is awesome because it is so simple to use and it feels so incredible on my skin. Again, I saw results so fast and you can too.